Good morning students, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's class student. We have completed the chapter 6 and chapter 6 is related to fossil fuel. Today we are going to start chapter 6 student. It is related to combustion and flame and it is directly related to fossil fuel student or the fuels. First you try to understand that what are the fuels. Fuels are the substances that release heat and light energy after the burning. Means the substances that release heat and light energy after the burning are known as fuel. And the fuels are found in all the three forms student. In all the three forms they are found. Solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel, gas. Solid fuel example is student cow dung cake. Cow dung cake. Coal. Coal is also the solid fuel. Like this wood. Wood is also the example of solid fuel. Like this the liquid fuel student, and liquid fuel example is natural. Like liquid fuel example is petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are the liquid fuels. Means these are the fuels or the fuels that have the liquid state is known as liquid fuel because they are found in liquid state. And the examples of these are petrol, diesel, kerosene. With this you can also write the vegetable oil. Vegetable oil or the vegetable ghee is also the example of liquid fuel student. Liquid fuel. In the ancient time people generally used which fuel student? They used the vegetable oil or the ghee. They used as fuel at their home to get the light. In nowadays we have the electricity, but in the ancient time there was no electricity on the earth. That's why the people used in the ancient time which fuel? They used the liquid fuel. And which liquid fuel they used? They used the vegetable oil, like the mustard oil they used. Like this the gaseous fuel student, gaseous fuel, and the gaseous fuel example is CNG, LPG and coal gas. These are the gaseous fuel. So what are the fuels? Fuel are the substances that release heat and light energy after the burning are known as fuel or are considered as fuel. Now we come on the next, that is combustion. What is combustion student? It is the chemical process. As you know that the burning of fuel is a chemical change in which the chemical reaction takes place. So the chemical process in which one substance react with the oxygen and release heat and light energy, heat and light energy during the burning is known as combustion. Means it is the chemical process in which a fuel is burnt in the presence of oxygen to release heat and light energy student. And in this, like there is one chemical reaction I am writing here. It is C for carbon, because all the fuels have the carbon in them student, but the amount of the carbon is differ fuel to fuel student. Like the pure form of carbon that is known as coke or charcoal that have the more carbon in them, but other fuel have the less carbon. But in the burning time what happens? That carbon reacts with the oxygen and what it forms carbon dioxide, and with carbon dioxide there is heat and light energy is released. So the combustion is the process, is the chemical process in which heat and light energy is released after the burning by the reaction of oxygen. Means the substances react with the oxygen in this. Next is combustible substance. All the substances that shows the combustion or all the substances that reacts with the oxygen during the burning are known as combustible substance. Like when we burn the magnesium, student, when we burn the magnesium, then that magnesium burns with producing heat and light energy, and there is oxygen is used by the magnesium during the burning, and what it forms magnesium oxide. With this, heat and light energy is released. That's why we can say that the magnesium is a combustible substance. Wood can be considered as combustible substance. Coal can be considered as combustible substance, because all these substances react with the oxygen during the burning to release the heat and light energy. So it is about the combustion or the combustible substances. Now, when they release, student, heat and light energy, that heat and light energy is according to the fuel. There are some fuel that release only heat energy, they don't produce the light energy, or they don't produce the flame. Now what is flame, student? Flame means the evaporized burning of the fuel. The evaporized burning of the fuel is known as flame. Like when the methane or the wood is burned, then what they release carbon dioxide, water, and with this they also release heat and light energy. But the pure form of carbon does not produce the flame. They produce very less light, but they don't produce the flame because they don't show the evaporized burning. Due to the evaporized burning of a substance, we get the flame. Like this is mastic, student. When we burn the mastic, then it burns with a flame like this. It burns with a flame. So this flame is due to the presence of water vapor, H2O, student. The evaporized burning is known as flame, and these combustible substance burn with flame or without flame. Like the coke, charcoal, coal, they don't produce the flame, but the wood, petrol, diesel, kerosene, or the wax, what they produce the flame, because what they release at the time of the burning, they release water or water vapor, student. And due to the presence of that water vapor, what we have the flame. So it is about the flame, student. So now you will try to learn these all important topics, and you will read chapter 6. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.